Money drops into a payphone at the airport in L.A. A phone rings in an apartment a mile away. A young girl's voice said hello. I said, Shirley, you don't know me. A friend said I should call you when I was in L.A. Money drops into a payphone in the Atlanta airport lounge. A phone rings in an apartment in L.A. A young girl's voice said hello. I said, Shirley, I just got home. There's something I've just got to say. Shirley, I lied to you. All the things I said were not true. Shirley, I'm married. I've got a son almost as old as you. I won't be coming back to do all the things that we'd planned. I can't walk out on her, Shirley. She's never looked at another man. Money drops into a payphone in the Atlanta airport lounge. A phone rings in an Atlanta suburban home. A woman's voice said hello. I said, Helen, I just got in. Pick me up and honey, don't be long. Money drops into a payphone at the corner of First and Main. A phone rings in an apartment across town. A young man's voice said hello. She said, Jack, it's Helen. I can't see you tonight. He's back in town.